Okay, so on my first series, this is a dress I bought, but I've never worn because I didn't like it, and also it doesn't fit me so well. So I just want to revamp it into something else. Okay, so these are the materials I'm gonna use because I still don't have a sewing machine, but yeah, this will work. Okay, now let's see how we can put it in a better position. Yeah, now that this is out. So since this is what I'm using, I'm gonna replace the white. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, I'm gonna start sewing the inside liner and then move to the outer. Yeah, because I can't do them together, so I have to do it separately. Okay, since I said I didn't plan this anywhere, I just do what I think is right by me. I think we should call this a track and sew since I'm using the wrong knit. Should I call it a knit? Yeah, but it's basically doing this. Like after sewing it in line, you go and repeat it so that on the other side it will, and then you tie it so that the other side it will be like seamless. I hope since okay, I'm gonna show you on this other side. You won't see any black thingy. This black thingy, you won't see it. Okay, let me get to work. Yeah, so basically what I'm doing is, yeah, please don't try this at home because like I said, I only do what I think is right by me. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this to the whole piece. So far this is how it's looking. Yeah, I'll show you later. Okay, so this is the progress so far. Yeah. So what's your reason for not starting? You don't have a sewing machine, huh? Look at me, I don't, and I've done this, so yeah, you don't have an excuse. Okay, so I've tried it on, but I don't like how it turned out, so I want to switch it up into something else. So I'm separating the back and the front so that I can make something else. I'm gonna show you. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm enjoying this so much. Okay, so it's separate two pieces. I want to turn it into something else. Yeah, I hope you see the vision because I'm seeing it. I feel like I might turn it into two different tops. Yeah, but let's see. So now I'm taking the straps of this bralette, and because it has extra straps, as you can see, there are a lot. Yeah, I want to take some and put it here. Yeah, I've removed it and it hasn't affected the bralette. It's still okay and it's still usable. Yeah. Yes, so I'm going to attach the strings. Okay, so this is the progress so far. I've attached this to this. Yeah, and I've attached here. Yeah, but okay, so I'm done. Ooh! Yo. Oh my, I'm feeling so cute. I don't wanna get this off. Like, I just want to sleep like this today. I don't wanna go nowhere. I just wanna look like this at home and look at myself. Oh my god. I'm so cute. Okay, so this is today's outfit. Styled by me. Okay, this wasn't part of the outfit, but I started feeling cold, so I decided to put this on so that I can watch a movie and drink some juice, you know. Yeah, but this is eating.
Wow. Oh, I did this. Nicole did this. Oh my god.